In this video, we will talk about how to install Python and how to use Python. For using Python, we will be using a distribution of Python called Anaconda, and we'll touch base on why we are going to use Anaconda, why not something else. Anaconda is a leading distribution of Python and is specifically used for data science purpose. It is not that you cannot use for other purpose, but it is designed more towards data scientists. Why? Because most of the data science people are not software developers and are essentially non-technical person. Not all the time, but most of the cases. So this is the reason we have chosen Anaconda for this tutorial. Anaconda also comes with rich open source libraries, which allows you to have very good graphical and all kind of data science or data analytics related libraries, which are handy to use. Last but not the least, it is cross-platform, works across Windows, Mac, Linux and cloud. So it is always handy if you have a Anaconda installed in your box. In the next step, we will see how to install Anaconda on macOS. So if you want to see this, go to Google and type bcloudready Anaconda Python. It will pop you up the instruction one of our instruction tutorials. In this tutorial, we explicitly explain about how to install this on Windows step by step. You can follow the instruction for Windows and you should be good to go. This tutorial we will be talking about how to install on macOS. There is a link below, you can click on that, and this talks about how to install on macOS. Simply, and it has instructions and a video as well. So we can click on this one, Anaconda Distribution, and go to download section, and we can pick and choose our choice of distribution. In our case, it is Mac. We download it and then we install it. It takes a while usually to download and install because of large size. So once you have installed and downloaded, next thing you need to do is you need to go to your Mac launcher and you'll be able to see Anaconda. Once you have set up the Anaconda, once you start the Anaconda, it should show something like that. And in this Anaconda, as I mentioned, it is a distribution. It is not an editor by itself. So we will be using Spider editor, which is very popular among data scientists. And by default, Spider comes installed. So you can install, launch right away. And also it supports other editors like RStudio, VS Code and all. So we'll go ahead and launch Spider. Depending upon how powerful is your PC, it may take a while, and if you haven't started for a while, it may take a while because it has to load a lot of resources because of it is a graphic intense. So for any of these purpose, I would expect at least 8 gigabytes of RAM in your PC or Mac. Below that, you may face serious performance issues. And also make sure you have enough compute power as well. And this is the looks like how Spider looks like, and you can basically So if you just want to do a hello world, we can do a simple print. Just to verify the installation is working fine. We select it and this is how we run the code. It says it is running this one, hello world is working. And also, any case, if you want to install any additional libraries, take an example, you want to install pandas or panda SQL. So the command to install is that pip install pandas. So any other packages that we will be dealing throughout the time of the course, we'll be using a lot of modules, and this is how you install any new packages in macOS. I hope you enjoyed this session and see you in the next session.